This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for January 19th, 2024. It's currently November 5th, 2023, 4:17 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is currently $434.69. That's USD. And the shuffle file that we're going to play for you here was created on October 25th, 2023. At 8:52 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here in the corner. So the overall theme and behavior for the 19th, again, we have a nullified theme card, making it a little bit tricky, especially with the devil card to get overall trend direction. But my sense is that there's some sort of fake out or shake out there. A pretty notable decline, I think, from like a higher open, but with like a decline that then either overnight or at the end of the day looks like we might end up near a high out of like a significant low. We'll see. Behavior around the high side, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. I'm advised not to chase the rally into the high, and that it's nullified, meaning that there's some sort of chart behavior that makes the high irrelevant. And then what's interesting is that the low card is the Princess of Wands, which in the low position usually indicates that we revisit the low again, so you can rally out of it, offering an opportunity to open up a short position and then close out that short position when you revisit the low. But we had that appear in the high position the prior day, so it may be that we actually open higher. We might actually open up higher, close from the 18th. It's hard to say, but there's like a pop and drop there. Either we open higher or we open lower, and then there's like a pop and drop to a high. We're in the midst of the erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level in there. In like the first hour and a half of trading there, we should see a notable reversal, but we should also revisit a crest that was a recent past opportunity. And then about midday, it looks like we start to decline pretty notably, and we revisit a important support level that was a past opportunity on a multi-day scale, right? And that's the Hermit card right there on the 19th. We have cross-trading congruencies for it as well, but I think out of a midday low or a mid-afternoon low, we first established support with sideways rotation probably around like 145-ish. Sideways rotation and a big move to the upside standing out on a one-day chart with a sideways rotation at a higher price level there, and a peak somewhere around like 315-ish in the midst of some price swings that take us into the close. I think that peak is probably going to be like a pretty notable opportunity. It might even be a high for the week. Either that or it's just going to be a significant peak or high opportunity. And then it looks like we probably open near the highs of the prior day based on that cross-trading congruency going on here. Probably open near the highs of the 19th here on the 22nd. That's the SPY for the 19th of January 2024. Don't forget to follow that rule of karma. Guys, you do that here on the resources tab of our website, Terror for Traders. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities, 5% of the profits back to the channel. Leaves you with 90%. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you do that, you're an angel investor of the channel. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold. Guys, we have a premium service here. If you're interested in getting a crypto or a ticker symbol covered by the like on a daily basis, the way that we're doing the SPY by the hour, you can actually order that, any ticker symbol or crypto. You just go to our services, SO Meta Post, scroll down to 1 month consecutive daily posts, click here to order. This is our premium service. $1,500 gets you 30 consecutive daily posts with hour by hour chart behavior, my friends. That's about as detailed and accurate as we can make these things. With that said, my friends, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.